Hi everyone. In this video, we are looking at study methods. All right. In an observational study, you measure or observe members of a sample in such a way that they are not affected by the study. Okay. In a controlled experiment, you divide the sample into two groups. You impose a treatment on one group, but not on the other control group. Then you compare the effect of the treated group to the control group. And last, in a survey, you ask every member of the sample group a set of questions. Now, let's look at number 1. A list of students is randomly generated from the school database. Information for every student is entered into the database, and each student has an equally likely chance of being selected. The students are asked how much time they spend on household chores each week. Now, the study method here is a survey. So, survey, okay? And statistics can be used to make a general conclusion about the population because the sample is randomly generated, okay? So let me write the word survey. All right. And the survey question does not introduce a bias into the study because it doesn't ask them about their school information and things. It just asks, how much time do you spend on household chores? So that's a good one. All right, next we have a local librarian collects data about the types of books that are checked out so that she can place a new order accordingly. She records the type of book checked out by every other person each day for 3 weeks. Now, this is an observational study because she's making it from observations, okay? What she observes from people checking out. So, observational study. That's a bad looking Y. All right, I fixed it. Okay, observational study. Now, the statistics are somewhat unreliable in this study because not all library goers have an equally likely chance of being selected, and although the data collected cannot be used to make a general conclusion, but it still may give the librarian some useful information about her decision that she has to make for new books. Okay, and let's look at number 3. A gardener tests a new plant food by planting seeds from the same package in the same soil and location. Each plant is given the same amount of water, but one plant is given food and the other is given no food at all. He records the growth and flowering rates of each plant. Well, this is a controlled experiment, definitely, because there's a control group and an experimental group. So, controlled experiment. All right, controlled experiment. Now, the statistics from the study can be used to make a general conclusion about the effectiveness of the plant food for this particular type of plant, okay, as compared with giving the plants no food at all. All right, there you have it. So, hopefully this helps you with study methods, and if it helps you, well, like and follow. Bye-bye.